Today one of my viewers find me, they was living close to me, so they asked me to marinate some chicken for them. So here we go, marinating some chicken. We have some ginger right here, and we have some red onion right here, and some garlic, and we have some pimento. The only place you're gonna get some pimento is at the Korean store. And this is what it's gonna look like. This is the pimento. And here is the ginger. And some red onion. You already know. Some garlic. And we're gonna hook them up. Marinate it nice and easy. And we have some hot, some green and red hot chili flakes. So we are about to go in all in. Here we go. And we're just gonna go all in one time at once. Here we go. Go. And there we go. So wife helping me getting all these ingredients in. And we can't forget our green season. Yeah. Doing our green season. You can't forget the green season. So in the green season we have onion, and we have some thyme, and we have some garlic. I know this is gonna be awesome. So I'm just showing you. So if you're home and you decided to marinate some chicken, don't forget your green season, don't forget your garlic, don't forget your onion, your red onion, don't forget your, if you don't have no red onion, you can use the white one. And don't forget your ginger, because your ginger give it the flavor and that spice that you're really looking for. Nice.